question. Have you ever wondered how do you get pipes underneath verges, underneath driveways, or underneath concrete? Well, today I'm going to show you how. First thing you want to get is a bit of 25mm PVC generally. This is the bell end. You can see that it's got a larger sort of knob. That's where you join the pipes together. And you want to sharpen this like a pencil, like so, okay? Like that. What we're going to do is we're going to tap it underneath this bit. Now, what I've done is I've dug a trench, and the trench needs to be just as long as the area that you're going to punch underneath when you go under it. Okay? So, I'm going to cut the pipe here. Okay? And we're going to go under. Now, you don't really want to tap it too hard, or you won't be able to get it out. And you want to try and get it straight. So, first thing, you just start twisting a little bit, like so, like that, until you get it in enough that you can begin to tap it. Then what you do is you begin tapping it like that. And you let out a little bit at a time, like so. So, tap, 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 tap. Okay, through this far. Let out a bit more. That's nice and sandy. That's going to go through nice and easy. Just tap it gently. Tap, 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 tap. Go nice and straight. If you don't go nice and straight, what will happen is you'll end up getting really, really deep. Alright. And halfway already. Almost there. Almost there. This is a bigger pipe. We're going to put a smaller pipe through it. If it's a long area, use blue line plumbing piping. If it's a short area, use a bit of PVC and then put another bit of PVC inside it. No joints. No joints under the concrete. Close. Oh, so close. Right, keep an eye out. Keep an eye out here. You see it float through. 1, 2, 3. How good is that? Alright. So the pipe is through. That's how you do it. Did you see it? Oh, you didn't see it come through. Okay. Oh, there it is there. Anyway, so got it through on this end and on this end. And what we're going to do is we're going to push this 20mm PVC inside that pipe, and we're going to use it as a sleeve. That way it can be pulled out. A new pipe can be pushed through if ever needed. And if there's a leak, it protects it from damaging underneath. I'm going to have to do it here as well. So, there you have it. That's how you punch underneath. Remember the basics. Sharpen the bulging bit at the end of the pipe where you connect it on. You know, the bell connector. Sharpen that bit like an arrow. Tap it through gently. Tap, 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 twist. Every couple of inches, pull it out, let the sand out. Get it nice and straight. If you hit rocks, start again. Dig another trench. It's not really ideal to run water under concrete unless you have to. Sometimes you got to run a little bit under it. So I hope that helped.